Yes on yes.
Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. Today it's a bit interesting. One of my friends got yellow stickered, which pretty much means his car is defected, and so he needs to take it through the pits and get it checked out and stuff like that. So, which really sucks. I know how hard the whole process is and how frustrating it is. That's a risk everyone takes when they're building their cars. So yeah, that's the life. Yeah, so he needs to change over his side skirts. He's got these aftermarket side skirts. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna take mine off. He's taken his off already, and we're just gonna swap them over. I'm just gonna take my side skirts off just because mine are stock, and so yeah, it'll just be easier for him to get through pits. That's what we're going to do today, taking off these side skirts and putting his side skirts onto my car. Yeah, this will be really interesting and really fun to see what the car will look like with these side skirts, and also if it'll look good with the rear bumper and if it'll like match up and stuff like that. So anyways, let's get on to taking off these side skirts. I'll show you guys what you have to do as always, and yeah. Alright, so down here, this is the side skirt. It runs all the way from here, all the way to the front of the car. Yeah, so it's just held on by these screws. There's one there, two there. On the front of the car, there's another one there, and I'm not sure if these you need to take off, but yeah, we'll see. And there's just a few underneath as well. It's held on by clips as well, so you just have to pop those clips out and the whole side skirt will come off. So it's a pretty simple job. I just got one of these tools, like these ratchet screwdriver tools with like a whole bunch of like attachments and stuff. This is really freaking handy, especially for like interior parts or like small parts like this where you have like not enough space to get a whole screwdriver in. Alright, so we got these two screws out, one there, one there. These just like Phillips screws, they're pretty small. Underneath the side skirts there's these like 10mm kind of bolts that hold on the side skirts as well. I'll try to show you guys, it's a bit hard to see. If you go underneath, excuse the angles, but under here there's these little pockets here, and so it's just 10mm bolts in here. You just have to take off, or a screwdriver if you don't have like a 10mm. Pretty sure I got all the bolts and screws off. There is a total of 7 of these little bolt screw thingies and 3 of these screws that you have to take off. I'll show you a bit better when I take the side skirts off where the bolts and screws actually go in. Now I'm pretty sure all I need to do is just pull the side skirts off. It's just held in by these clips that go into the body. Wish me luck. Hopefully I don't crack these or snap them or anything. So let's get onto this and let's try pull these off. It is a bit of a tricky situation. I'll show you guys what I've done so far. So there's these like plastic clips that push into the body, which are pretty much a pain to get off. There's one here. There's supposed to be one there, but that snapped. There's one on here and there and there and there, and I haven't gotten to the front part. But yeah, these clips here are very fragile. They snap very easily. It's not fun, but yeah, you just have to be very careful of those clips because they do break very easily. One of mine literally broke. Yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have a trim tool or whatever, that makes it easier. I just got a few more clips to undo and then we'll do the next one. Okay, so the side skirt is off. It's just laying down on the floor there. Yeah, so it's pretty frustrating actually, especially this bit here, this corner bit here where it sits right behind the door. All right, let's take a look at the side skirts. Here is the 370Z side skirt. So it's mounted on this way. Where the bolts and nuts are that were underneath were in these little crevices here. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. The clips that I'm talking about where you have to pull it off the body are on the inside. All right, so this is the inside of the side skirt. As you can see, those crevices where those screw bolts were are just on the bottom here. Now these here are all the clips that the side skirt clips into. I'll show you guys where those clips go into. So it's just all these holes here, all around the body. That's pretty much it on how to take off your side skirts. I'm just gonna wait on my friend that wants to swap these over to his car. I'm just gonna do the other side. Hopefully that's more easier than this side. So yeah, I'm gonna cue a time lapse of me taking off their side skirts on the other side. Just dropped off his side skirts and picked up my side skirts. So he's got these J-Sci Aero. I've seen a lot of photos with this on and I've seen his car with these on. Pretty sure they're fiberglass, but they look really, really nice. So I've always loved these side skirts. All right, I'm excited to see what these look like on the car. So let's go ahead and do this. Essentially, what you need to do is everything in reverse, to be honest. I'll probably time lapse this as well. I hope you guys enjoy it and I'll see you guys after I install this one. All right. side skirts are on, both sides are on, everything is done. I kind of like the look, to be honest. So as you can see, they look pretty nice, and as you can see, they are pretty low. Yeah, I don't know what size skirts I'm gonna go with. I do like these ones. Not sure if it's a bit too low for me. They look really nice. So let me know if you guys have any aftermarket size skirts, or what size skirts there are out there, because I really don't know much. If you guys know of some really cool size skirts that I can have a look at, just put it down in the comments below and I'll check them out. In saying that, that's it for the video, guys, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing the car. I appreciate all your support, and if you guys haven't already, you know what to do. Smash that like button and that subscribe button down below, and follow us on our journey. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.